So it's 11/1/24, and we're installing a hydraulic thumb. We're missing a bolt, and without that bolt, it's not going in.
I'm not worried about this. Let's see if I can fit in between first. We're good. I feel like there's some spacers missing. I guess he's gonna be doing this.
Oh,
It has a bolt and a couple of spacers. One on each side.
okay. Got it. So there's more parts that's not the same.
It needs the spacers right here.
So you don't take those bolts and you go through the other way backwards, right? The two smaller ones?
You have to anchor. You have to anchor through, yeah?
Yeah. Yep.